Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to increase render distance on Aternos. So let's get started. First, open your Aternos server. Increasing the render distance from Minecraft settings alone does not work, so you need to make the changes directly on Aternos. Head over to the Aternos website and select the server you want to modify. On the left-hand side menu, click on Files. Then open the file named server.properties. This file contains several important settings for your server. Scroll down until you find the option called View Distance. By default, it might be set to 5. You can change this to a higher number, like 8 or 9, depending on your preference. After editing the number, click Save to apply the change. To make sure it takes effect, go back to the server dashboard and tap on Restart. Once the server restarts, join it again, and you will notice that your view distance has improved significantly. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.